Hello, YouTube, and let's take a look at Tesla. We love Tesla and Elon Musk, and here we go. So, per website Investopedia.com, if you had invested right after Tesla's IPO, so Tesla, their stock symbol TSLA, made its stock market debut in 2010 with an initial IPO priced at $17 per share. That is awesome. If you have invested $1,000 in the IPO up to date to June 29th, 2018, where stock prices were at $342.95, you would have accumulated $19,891.10. That means that would be a 1,889% increase. So, again, Tesla's IPO was January 29th, 2010. And on May 21, 2010, the Toyota Motor Company agreed to invest $50 million or having a 2.5 stake into Tesla Motors. Just a little information for you right there. So let's take a look at their current stock price and stock information per Yahoo Finance. So this is as of November 13th, 2018. Their stock price ended the day at $338.73. Their 1-year target estimate is 325.33. Again, that's just an estimate. I truly do think it's going to go higher. They do not have a dividend currently, so there is no dividend yield, and their PE ratio is not there as well. So here is a graph starting in January 2010. Again, they had their IPO January 29th, 2010. This is against the S&P 500. As you could tell, they're early on pretty slow, and then it raised dramatically about 2013, and then dramatically again in towards the end of 2016, 2017. So, some top institutional holders, again, by Yahoo Finance. You have FMR LLC with 21,000 shares, with Price T. Rowe, another stock I own, at basically 1,200 shares. You got the Vanguard Group, you got BlackRock, 2 other individuals I invest in. You have the Bank of Montreal, which is a great investment as well. Scrolling down to top mutual fund holders, you have Price, Vanguard, New Perspective, American Fund, Fidelity, Harbor Capital, just to round it out. So this is from Forbes.com. Model S was the first electric vehicle to ever receive Motor Trend's Car of the Year award. The panel gave a unanimous decision on this, something the Motor Trend judges haven't ever seen in their time there. Other than the Motor Trend Car of the Year award, the Model S also got the Auto Car of the Year award and the Yahoo Auto Award, and a consistent string of positive reviews. From factinate.com, I picked out one very interesting fact from their website. The U.S. government loaned Tesla Motors $465 million in 2009. This stat is insane by itself. However, what's even crazier is that Tesla paid off this loan 9 years earlier than projected. Thank you, Tesla, for paying back the government, which is really paying back all the taxpayers 9 years early. Another interesting fact per list25.com. If you were worried the battery would slowly go bad. Tesla stations will swap out your battery for less than $60. The Model S was designed to easily replace the battery in 90 seconds. Outside of private passenger cars, Tesla has plans to build a minibus and a semi-truck in the near future. For a long time, it was totally free to charge your Tesla at their charging station, but recently they announced they will start charging for it. It will only take about 20 to 30 minutes to fully charge your vehicles. Now let's take a quick look at this graph presented on visualcapitalist.com. So we'll go into this more, but the history, named after the physicist Nikola Tesla, Tesla Motors has risen from a simple concept to a motoring giant in less than 15 years. Elon Musk did not found Tesla. It was Martin Eberhard and Mark Tempeting. Let's see what else this amazing infograph has to show. Top Gear slating war. The TV show heavily criticized the Roadster, prompting a legal battle with Tesla, which Top Gear won. $465 million, the amount of money loaned to Tesla by the U.S. government in 2009. This is what Tesla paid off 9 years earlier. The Tesla Roadster first model launched in 2008. The Model X has a biohazard air filter. That's awesome. The Model X took minimal damage against the poles it was crashing into during side impact tests. The time taken for the Model S to go from 0 to 60 is 2.5 seconds. The weight of the Model X is 5,594 pounds. The average range you could get from a full charge in the Model X is 250 miles. 694 and growing the number of supercharger stations around the world. A feature that lets your phone, your Model S, to have you greet you at your front door. Wow. 455 miles, the maximum range you could get from a fully charged Model S. $13.66, the cost to fully charge your Model X at home. That's a lot cheaper than going to the gas station. The Model E, the name, the feature, Model 3 was supposed to have, but another company's trademark stopped it. You got the minibus. It's expected to be formally announced by Tesla in 2017. It is now 2018. It has not. The Gigafactory, the huge under construction factory in Nevada, will create lithium-ion batteries for use in Tesla cars and is already making headlines and breaking records. So, this has probably came out in 2016. The Gigafactory is now complete, and he already announced he's making another Gigafactory in China. $5 billion was invested in that plant. That's pretty crazy. The number of electric cars that could be produced by the Gigafactory by 2018 is 500,000. It's not quite there yet, but it's getting. The market value of Tesla Motors up from $27 billion to $33.5 billion. And growing. The Powerwall, home battery powered by solar panels sold by Tesla. It can be used to charge their cars too. That's awesome. Elon Musk, the amount of his own money Musk invested in Tesla was $70 million. Musk's net worth is $12.1 billion, depending on how the stock's doing. The Hyperloop, the rapid transit system Elon Musk has proposed, which would send people through tubes from San Francisco to Los Angeles. In about 1 month, in December 2018, he will open this short Hyperloop. This is amazing. And humans living on Mars. Musk plans to colonize Mars by 2022. Highly doubt it, but that's his main goal. So let's read some history about Tesla stock company that we already went over. This is from wikipedia.com. Founded as Tesla Motors, Tesla Inc. was incorporated in July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who financed the company until the Series A round of funding. The founders were influenced to start the company after GM recalled all of its EV1 electric cars in 2003 and then destroyed them. That is a great article to read about. Both men played active roles in the company's early development prior to and after Elon Musk's involvement. I advise you and everybody out there to read why GM destroyed all their EV1 cars. So let's take a look at the Tesla website. Here's the Model S. 2.5 seconds from 0 to 60 with a 335 mile range on their Model S. Their Model X, 295 mile range. Their brand new Model 3, all-wheel drive, 310 mile range with 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Their Roadster, 620 mile range, top speed over 250, and in under 2 seconds you'll go from 0 to 60. And the future of Tesla to power everything. Thank you so much for watching this long video and taking in some things about Tesla, the company, the future, and what we can have in our house, in our garage.